Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PDF on Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive and then tap on the plus icon. Tap on scan. Tap on allow. Now take a picture of the page you want to PDF. And after taking the picture, crop it perfectly. And then tap on save. Now select the drive location here you want to upload your PDF, and after selecting tap on select and then tap on save. Now go to the picture and guys, you can see that the picture is converted to PDF, and that's it. That's how you can make PDF on Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.